Are you looking for big power from a single nitrous solenoid? Well, look no further than the new NOS TC178. These large body solenoids have been around the racetrack for years and have been given the name trash cans due to their large physical size, as well as their ability to deliver large amounts of nitrous oxide. NOS has improved on the traditional trash can with our new TC178. The name gives an indication of the solenoid's capabilities. TC for trash can and 178 for the huge 178 thousandths orifice diameter, which has a potential power delivery in the 900 horsepower range. NOS did not stop at just improving on our existing trash can solenoid with a large diameter outlet orifice. We have also reduced the total weight by 1/4 pound by changing the solenoid body from stainless steel to anodized 6061 aluminum. The TC178 solenoid has a PTFE plunger for superior sealing and long life. A 20 amp activation coil ensures quick response times and is compatible for use with most progressive controllers like NOS Mini 2-stage or NOS Launcher. It has a 1/4 inch MPT side inlet, a 1/8 inch MPT bottom exit, and a 1/8 inch MPT purge side port. If big power and less weight is what you need for you to race and win, then get the better trash can with NOS TC178 Nitrous Solenoid. Thanks for watching. To find out more about nitrous kits and accessories, visit us at nosnitrous.com.